Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesday's Maths. Now, as you can probably see, I've been joined by some number block friends. Who's this that I have in front of me with all the numbers of the dice? Yes, it's 6. 2, 4, 6 if I count up in twos. Who's this one? All the colours of the rainbow? There are indeed 7 colours of the rainbow. And it's number 7. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay, here's the number block we've been thinking about lots, haven't we, this week? It's octo block. Octo meaning 8, doesn't it? And she's got her beautiful 8 glasses on the top there with 4 on each side, 4 pretty frizzles on each side, which means 8. But who's this? 3 lots of 3. Look, it's taller than number 8 by 1. It's 1 more than 8. Yes, it's 9. And 9 is one of our square numbers. So it can be made like this. We can make it into a square. So 3 lots of 3. Just like number 4 is 2 lots of 2, and that makes a square number. Number 9 is a square number as well, because if we see it tall like that, we see it's 3s, but put it like that, when it's a square, it's 3 this way, but it's also 3, whoops, across as well, isn't it? Clever, these numbers, aren't they? So let's have a little look at number 8 just for a couple of moments. Okay, I am going to split number 8 in some different ways. Look, number 9's watching you there in the corner, seeing how, if you're looking. Right, I'm going to take 1 away from my 8. So how many have I got in this hand? And how many have I got in this hand? Can you remember the parts of 8? 7 and 1. 7 and 1 make 8. We'll just check that that's a 7 by using the rainbow to match. They're exactly the same height, aren't they? So it is indeed 7. When you were looking yesterday at with Miss Cooper from White Rose Maths, when you were looking at what was taller and shorter, number 7 would be 1 shorter than 8, wouldn't it? Shall we look at that? There, can you see? There's number 8. And 1 less, which made in a tower is 1 shorter, is 7. Let's split 8 again. Right, this time I'm going to split 2 off. So here's a part, 2. And what's the part on this side? Now I've taken 2 of the 8. Can you imagine? Let me match it with this for you. It's 6. That's right. 6 is a part, 2 is a part, and 8 is our whole. If I split my 8 right down the middle, what do I end up with 2 of? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have 2 4s, because we do know that double 4 makes 8. That's right. Fantastic. And if I just take the 1 off the top again and take these 7 over to this side, 7 is a part, 1 is a part, and 8 is the whole. We did some exploring of the other ones the other day, didn't we? And I think the ones I haven't done there are 5 and 3. If 5 is a part and 3 is a part, we put it all together, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that makes 8 too. Right, so we just had a look at number 8, and I said, what was 1 less than 8? If we took this 1 off the top, what are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 7. Yes, indeed. 1 less than 8 is 7. So let's compare their heights like that. So we've taken 1 away, it's 1 less. It's 1 smaller number, and it's 7. Now, what number would be 1 more than 8? What one would be 1 more? It would be 1 block taller, wouldn't it? Who do you think it would be? Can you have a clue? Have you got any clues? Who might it be? What's this that's looking in the corner? Aha! It's number 9. So look, let's compare those heights. Here's 9, there's 8, and there's 7. So if we were counting up and the numbers were getting bigger each time, we would go 7, 8, 9. But if we're counting backwards and the numbers get smaller by 1 each time, we go 9, 8, 7. Now, here's a bit of a challenge for you. 8 sits between 7 and 9. What number comes after number 9? I think it's going to be 1 taller. Can you think what it might be? Let's have a look. Here it comes. Wow, who's that? It's terrific 10. That's right. Where 8 sits. Okay, so 1 more than 8 is 9, and 2 more than 8 is 10. Let me take 9 and 7 away and I can show you that. Okay, so here's our number 8, and then if I put my number 9 blocks at the side, look, we've got 1, 2. So 2 more than 8 is 10. If I leave the 7 out, look, 2 less than 8 is 6. Can you see the gaps of 2 each time? 6, 8, 10. When we're counting in 2s, we say those numbers, don't we? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They're all in that pattern of 2s, which makes them even numbers. We'll talk a lot more about that very soon. So, 1 more than 6 is 7. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 8 is 9. And 1 more than 9, I'm going to have to put him here because he's not going to fit, is 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What would be next? We're counting back. 5. That's right. I'm going up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What would be 1 more? What would be next? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it would be. So today, if you're counting, why not get yourself a group of objects out? See if you can guess how many are there first, and then count them out, and then find 1 more, and then count them out again and see if it's the next number in the counting pattern. Then when you've got a group, you can count them out, see how many there are, and take 1 away. And that way you'll find 1 less than that number. Okay, so more and less than the number in the middle. Okay, have fun with your Marvellous Maths today, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more wonderful number work. Take care. Bye-bye.